Alrighty, so let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum still remains, to be looking for that retracement coming into the downside. So let's dive into the daily time frame at the moment. And yeah, so I'm looking for this particular line that actually can be retested at the moment. So you can already see it's a area, or it's a place that you actually broke out of. And there's this like pattern, I don't know what you call this pattern. It's almost like a descending broadening wedge in a very weird way, but I do think you do have this technical target that you haven't really met at the moment. So that's going to be from there to there. And this is where you were breaking out of. Actually, you did met the target. That's pretty amazing. You did met the target. But what I'm looking forward to is Ethereum coming a little bit down to this level, which is going to be 1619. You backtest the 1619 here, hold the retest, and then you actually continue with the journey to go to the upside. And just as I've talked about Bitcoin can actually make that inverse head and shoulder like this and try to move to $27,000. Who knows? But at the moment, Bitcoin is coming down, so Ethereum is going to come down, definitely come up to this level, touch that level, and then go to $2,500, because by the end of the day, that's still a technical journey. So you're going to be doing something like this: go up, come down impulsively, go up again, come down, maybe hold this level, go up like this, and then absolutely take off to that level. All in all, again, the comment still remains the same. You don't want to lose 1357. If you lose 1357, it's gonna be insane. It's gonna be really, really, really bad for a move to the upside. And I don't expect any move from here onwards to actually go any higher as well. So that's this Ethereum update. Just a quick one. Still the same thing as I said yesterday in yesterday's video. So let's move on to the next one, which is going to be Mbox.